Again, most welcome to again my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you're fine and good. Now, like the latest game available now, Farm Jam, animal parking games available now on the like the applications, money app application I will be using for the overall. So guys, this is the all about everything more easily, no, not to be anything hard, just to be explain you about this game, how to will be completely easily this game levels. So guys, be carefully, be completely watching this video, and I will be completely guide to you and helping to you how to will be complete to be this game task. So I hope you will be enjoy this video, and I hope you will be like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And before sharing my video, because I needed to your support, and I hope you will be supporting me more supporting me. So let's start this video, and I request you never be skipping this video and completely watching now, and totally guide to you how to will be complete to be this game level. Okay guys, Farm Jam animal parking games like the 1000 levels how to will be complete now. I will be completely guide to you, and just to be starting this game and to be how to will be complete to be this game. Okay guys, Farm Jam, I will be already download this game and completely teaching to you, and just to be skipping a little video. Okay guys, I'll be starting this game, and there's something telling me on these games. Okay, to be starting this game, and I will be purchasing all these games level 5 starting now. Okay, I will be clicking on these sections, unlock they have more spaces, so they all of everything more easily, not to be anything else, just to be watching this video, because I want to be totally guide to you. This is the everything more easily now. Okay, so you will be checking now to be I'm be complete to be these games, continue. Okay, pairs once. Okay, I will be again starting now. This time I need it to be 2 pairs, so I will be starting to be again levels next, and you will be saving more, you will be coins, then you will be easily to complete to be your games. Okay, 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 and starting now. This is the all about, this is the everything easily, no, not to be anything hard, because I will be helping to you this time 2 pairs, so one area I will be completed now. Okay, 2, thank you, just to be completing to be your jams level 7s. Okay, later I will be give you, this time I playing these games. Okay, no, this time I will be nothing asking to you, starting to be next levels, because this is the all about, this is the more easily know these games, and I will be completely guide to you. Okay guys, okay, checking now. This is the all about, this is the more easily game, not to be anything else. If my friends asking me, Saddam brother, you will be making video about this game, so then I will be complete to be this game all of levels I will be completed now, if my friend asking me, because depend on of you, just to be I want to be helping to you this game about all about everything easily, no, not to be anything hard, explain you all about this game now. Area 1 I will be doors. Okay, I will be purchasing now, so this all of complete now. Thank you so much. Area to be completed now. Okay, I will be tap on this stage. Nice level be starting now. Okay, checking now. Just to be tap on here. Guys, this is the all about this game more easily now, not to be anything hard, just to be explaining you all about this game. On tap 10 levels to be starting now, because I needed to be queens, so then I'll be purchasing something about these games. Okay, you will be checking now. Okay, continue to be 10 levels pause. Next levels to be starting now, but area once I will be completed now. Sometime to be aired show now. Okay, 3 needed to be 3 stack home. I will be starting to be 11 level starting now. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Out of space. Restart. So guys, I hope you will be understand now. So thank you so much for you watching my video.